the purpose in building a welding jig is so that way you can manufacture more products faster. So the goal is, if you take a little time, create the way it needs to be lined out. So if you're not doing it, or you got a team, assembly line, whatever, come up with a jig where you can make it, where you can make that product faster. That way you can just grab that jig, make that product, grab another jig, make that product. You see what I'm saying? So if you're making someone else's product or you're making your own products, it's always easier when you create a welding jig. So just wanted to give you an update, show you this one. I've been building these trailer wheel locks, and this is a jig that I actually built to assemble the units in. I tack everything up, and once I tack everything up, I make my marks and I'll take it out. So it's very wise to build a jig. HogOn.